Tired of downloading separate editing software just to trim a video? You can do it all inside YouTube Studio for free. Seriously, no expensive subscriptions, no huge file downloads, no exporting and re-uploading. Everything happens right in your browser. And the best part? It is way more powerful than most people realize. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the whole thing step by step. I will show you how to access the editor, trim your clips, blur out faces or private information, add background music, and finish it off with professional end screens and info cards. By the time we are done, you will feel completely confident editing your own videos directly inside YouTube. All right, let us jump in. First things first, head over to YouTube Studio and log into your account. You can get there by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you are in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Content. This is where all of your uploaded videos live. Scroll through the list until you find the video you want to edit. Click on its title or its thumbnail to open up the video details page. Now, on the left-hand menu for that specific video, you will see an option that says Editor. Click that. And here is where the magic happens. Take a moment to just look around at the editor interface. It is surprisingly clean. You have your video preview in the center, a timeline at the bottom, and a panel on the left with your main tools. You have got trim and cut, blur, audio, and options for end screens and info cards. We're going to use all of them. Let us start with the most common task, trimming the beginning or end of your video. Click the Trim and Cut button in the editor. You will see two blue handles on both ends of the timeline. Just click and drag those handles inward. The left handle trims the start, the right handle trims the end. A blue section shows what is kept, and the gray area is what gets cut. It is really intuitive. Now, what if you need to cut something out of the middle? Maybe an awkward pause or a mistake. Move your playback head to where you want the cut to start. Then click the New Cut button. A red box will appear. Drag that red box over the section you want to remove. You can adjust the edges to be precise. Once you are happy, that section is gone. It is like using a razor blade on a film strip, but way easier. Let us move on to blurring. This is a lifesaver if you accidentally show a license plate, an email address, or maybe you just want to blur someone's face. Click on the Blur tool in the left panel. You have two options here. Face blur will automatically detect and track faces throughout your video. It is smart and pretty accurate. But if you need to blur something specific, like a logo or a phone number, choose Custom Blur. You will get a square box that you can resize and drag exactly where you want it. Just position it over the sensitive area and it stays there for the duration of the clip. Next up is audio. Adding background music or sound effects is incredibly easy. Click on the Audio section in the left menu. YouTube gives you access to their entire audio library for free, and everything here is copyright safe, so you will not get a claim on your video. You can preview a track by clicking the play button next to it. When you find something you like, just click Add. It will automatically drop into your timeline. You can adjust the volume of the track to make sure it does not overpower your voice. You can even add multiple tracks if you want some music and a sound effect. Okay, now for the interactive polish. End screens and info cards. These keep your viewers watching more of your content. Look for the plus icons on the timeline. One says end screen, one says info cards. Click the end screen plus icon. You can choose to add a video, a playlist, or a subscribe button. Just drag the box to where you want it on the screen. The default timing is usually the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video, which works perfectly. Info cards are similar, but they pop up earlier in the video. Click the Info Cards Plus icon, select what you want to promote, and place it on the timeline. These are great for suggesting a related video or a playlist right when the viewer is most engaged. All right, you have made all your edits. Now it is time to make it official. Look for the blue Save button at the top right of the editor. Click that. YouTube will process your changes. This might take a moment, especially for longer videos. Once it is done, you have a choice. You can either publish the edited version immediately or schedule it for later. That is completely up to you. And that is it. You just edited a video completely inside YouTube Studio for free. No downloads, no stress, just clean, professional edits that go live right here on the platform. I hope this helped you feel a little more confident behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.